I would now introduce contestant number 1, Govini Pereira. Are you in love? Are you in love, Govini Pereira?
Imagine being in love with someone. The butterflies in your stomach, the warm cuddles that you get, the kisses on your forehead. Feels amazing, am I right? Contessa, ladies and gentlemen. But how would I know? I have been single my whole life. I'm so single that I watched the movie How to Be Single and even read the book. I'm not lonely, neither am I depressed. I'm absolutely loving being single. But why am I still single? One main reason, ladies and gentlemen, is the list. Yes, I have a list. The guy needs to be tall, sporty, great personality, sense of humor, and of course, has to be able to cook. And this list just keeps getting longer and longer as I realize what a beautiful person I am inside and out. Still, I complain on a weekly basis about how I'm still single or how I'll end up being single forever. That's when my friends used to remind me, Govini, you're going to university, right? That's where you're going to find your man. So I first got chosen to Kelaniya. Kelaniya is the place for you. Then I got chosen to Japura. Japura, definitely the place for you. So I walked into the University of Sri Jayawardhanapura with the hope of finding my soulmate. And there on the first day itself, the dean himself assured all of us that he was from Japura, all our department heads were from Japura, and that they were married to people from Japura, and we for sure were going to find our soulmates here at Japura. And guess what? The dean was right. Just 2 days into uni, I did find my soulmate. Tall, sporty, great personality, has me laughing 24/7. And her name, yes, her name is Tisakya. Yes, she's my soulmate, but definitely not the type I date. And Japura is yet to be the place for me. Many people will talk to you about how great it is to be in a relationship. But me, with my first-hand experience, would love to share with you why it's so great to be single. Reason number 1. Relationships equal a lot of celebrations. My best friend Ria, my goodness, she celebrates the Valentine's Day, anniversaries, month-anniversaries, the boyfriend's birthday, the boyfriend's mother's birthday, his father's birthday, his brother's birthday, Bruno's birthday. Bruno, by the way, his dog. And he forgets my birthday. For now, someone like me, who is a terrible gift giver, this sounds like my personal nightmare. Because I am someone who wholeheartedly believes that the best gift you can get from me is me. Reason number 2. Like the Spice Girls said 20 years ago, if you want to be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. Friendships. If you don't have a relationship, focus on your friendships. I love hanging out with my girls. And most of us are still single. But we have enough and more fun to make up to that loneliness people assume we have. And we've already made a pact. If you're single at 40, we are going to be those high-end spinsters, sipping on our wine and judging everyone around us. Reason number 3. I am fed up of listening to my non-single friends complain about their relationships. I somehow end up being the relationship advisor. Now all of you are wondering how I can give advice with zero experience. What can I say, ladies and gentlemen? Coaches don't play, do they? Reason number 4, and the greatest reason of all. Being single allows you to find your happiness within. It allows you to take risks, to find out what you really love doing, to find out what you really need in life. And once you've found that happiness, finding your Mr. Right becomes an easy peasy lemon squeezy job. Because then you don't need to find someone who makes you happy, but someone who adds on to your happiness. And while finding this happiness, you also learn to love yourself. A friend of mine once told me, you need to love yourself 100% if you are to find true love. Otherwise, you'll settle for any Tom, Dick or Harry that walks into your life who loves you just a tad bit more than you love yourself. But once you love yourself to that full potential, that's when anyone who loves you will have to love you above and beyond. And that's when you will find your happily ever after. Kantasha, you ask me, Govini, are you in love? Of course I'm in love. I'm in love with me.